Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a refrigerator, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a line down and to the right, and upwards, and to the left. Now just following with me. And connect the lines. Draw a line, and here also a line. Inside with two round eyes, inside with a circle, and another smaller circle. A curve, inside with lines, and the mouth. Just following with me. A circle, and now just following with me slowly. Now we have a refrigerator. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.